Well, we got a whole lot to do in today's video. The bumper is back from the guy with the spider. We got a new exhaust as well. We got to piece this entire car back together. And then my girlfriend Sophia, she is back in town from Canada. We're pulling the prank of all pranks. We're putting Lamborghini doors on her mark fence. She's not going to be happy. She's going to hate this so much. Today's video has also been brought to you guys by Simply Safe. There is no safe like Simply Safe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Now for the last week, I've been trying to get these Lamborghini doors installed on my girlfriend Sophia's Supra, and these things take so much longer than expected. She walks in the garage and immediately she's like, "Where's the Supra?" I thought maybe she'd think it's in the back cave. She wouldn't ask about it. We'd buy ourselves a little time. But then out of nowhere, she's like, "You're putting an exhaust on it," because we have an exhaust on order that she knows about, and so I just kind of sort of embrace that. Now, because Sophia thinks the Supra is getting a new exhaust, we're gonna embrace that, because when she asked me about the new exhaust, I didn't confirm or deny, I just kind of laughed. When we get to 218 Auto, I'm gonna have the boys rev the Supra. I'm gonna act like it sounds so much better, then we'll pull the car outside, and we'll pop the doors up. Now, Sophia just got back from the store, but one last thing. It's actually one of your guys' fault. I posted a photo of Sophia's Supra on Snapchat. I was like, what mods do we do? One of you guys suggested the Lamborghini doors.
Does she know?
What are you doing, Soph? We gotta get to work.
That's why I'm here.
Yeah, you look good. Hey, that's my shirt. I used to wear that shirt and you just stole my shirt. You're asking too many questions right now. We gotta get the bumper on the guy with a spider, okay?
Maybe if you answer my questions.
I'm not answering your questions. You're so bad, no. Well, great success right there. Teamwork makes the dream work. We are an absolute filthy mess, but one bumper has been fully installed, repaired, repainted. We're back in business. Sophia wants to keep pointing out that I'm wearing, don't touch it, wearing a white hat. I look good with a white hat. Don't worry, I messed up the Strad pizza hat, but we're in good business.
It's dirty.
Is it dirty? Well, whatever. You got grease all over your face. You got one on your cheek, you got some right over there. If you guys remember, the gyro has that crazy exhaust leak, and so I got a full new exhaust for the car. It's just a catback exhaust, it's a used exhaust as well. Let's go, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lamborghini Orange County exhaust. If you're a gyro guy from back in the day, you know this is one of the most rare exhausts. So Lamborghini of Orange County, I guess the in-house team there developed this exhaust. It's one of the best sounding exhausts in the world. We finally caught up with recycling. It's okay, no, we're empty. We're empty. We're back in, It's funny, as a homeowner, you start to appreciate different things. An empty recycling bin is one of the most satisfying things in the world. When it rains, it's free water for the grass. These are the things that I have come to appreciate as I approach father time. And when I say father time, I'm a dad. Oscar Marshmallow, little Marshmallow. I've started to embrace working on cars a little bit more. We got the lift in place, obviously the A12, we got the motor over there, we got all the interior pieces, but the thing that I hate installing more than basically anything in the entire world is an exhaust system. There's so many heat cycles that it heats up, it cools down, it heats up, it cools down, and the bolts just become impossible to remove. It's so funny because when I bought the OG Gyro way back in the day, I tried everywhere to find this exhaust and it was impossible to get. I was able to buy this secondhand. Now it's just cat back, so it's not gonna be like crazy loud, but the pitch, the tone, Sophia, is gonna be chef's kiss. Now, because installing exhaust is my arch nemesis, we're gonna take the Gyro Spider off to 218 Auto. Now, if you remember, 2 videos ago, I drove this car, it nearly died on me. Nothing has been fixed as far as that's concerned. I could tow it, but my TRX is off in Pennsylvania, so we're gonna try our best to limp the car to 218 so they can fix the exhaust leak. Now, on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by Simply Safe. Now, you guys all know how much I love Simply Safe. I use my Simply Safe home security system every single day. At some point during the day, I access the live feed from the Simply cams on my cell phone to make sure Oscar is safe, the house is safe, the cars are safe. And in the summertime, I spend so much more time out of town, away from my house. And I'd imagine a lot of you guys, the same thing. And contrary to popular belief, the majority of break-ins are not in the middle of the night. They're actually during the middle of the day when nobody is home. And during the summertime with the nicer weather, the longer days, that percentage only increases. Protect yourself before it's too late. With Simply Safe, there's no hidden fees. There's no long-term contracts. You can get started for less than $1 a day. That is less than half the cost of traditional home security. And of course, I have Simply Safe security devices located throughout my entire house. You can see the outdoor camera right there that covers the front entryway, the driveway, the cul-de-sac, as well as the main road. And I installed this entire system myself. It took me less than an hour. It was super easy. Now, Simply Safe does have professionals that can do the installation for you. I installed it here at Burlacker's house, my rental house. Even my Arizona house also has Simply Safe security. Honestly, the peace of mind is unbeatable. And of course, my favorite part is being able to access this live feed anytime, anywhere. When the Simply Safe cameras detect motion, they will actually send you an automated notification directly to your phone. You can look at the camera feed and you can assess if the threat is real. I love the microphone feature. You can talk to a friend in the garage or maybe maybe intruder, or maybe even emergency dispatch. And SimpliSafe has 24/7 live guard protection. This means that professional monitoring agents using the SimpliSafe Smart Alarm indoor camera can actually see and speak with intruders in real time, stopping them in their tracks. And being able to convey the unique details to emergency dispatch is going to help prioritize emergency response. Check out the link below to simplisafe.com/stradman. You can save 20% off your SimpliSafe home security system when you sign up for Fast Protect monitoring, and the first month is free. Visit simplisafe.com/stradman to customize yours. There's no safe like SimpliSafe. Well, the exhaust leak is getting worse by the second. You can hear the pattering sound. So I'm hoping that LOC exhaust, I'm hoping that'll sort it out. If you didn't see in the last video, this car is having some throttle issues as well. So the chances of making the 218 are undetermined. Let's hear it. Dun, dun, dun.
I used to play the saxophone.
Did you actually?
Yeah.
You're lying.
No, I actually did.
You actually did? What? How did I know? Really?
In middle school. Ba-dum.
Sometimes with these cars, they just have this way of like self-healing. Okay, so the brakes, we also gotta bleed the brakes. Are you okay? We gotta bleed the brakes, we gotta change the oil, we gotta get a new exhaust, and hopefully that sorts out everything. Stop asking questions!
I got a lot of questions.
No, don't worry, you got an oil change. The Supra is at 218, Ricky and Mark did an oil change. We got an air filter, some spark plugs, because somebody has been irresponsible and not taking care of their car.
I have been in another country.
That is true, that is a decent excuse. That's an average excuse. But don't worry about it. We're just getting the Supra, got an oil change, we're headed home. I definitely did not expect the guy to make it here to 218 that easily, but we will definitely take it one exhaust later. This is gonna be one of the rarest Porsches I've ever seen. We got the 996 GT3. I don't know how many they made of that, but the Halloween spec. What are you gonna be for Halloween?
What am I gonna be for Halloween?
I don't know, maybe more to come. Maybe you're about to find out right now. Whoa, the time. Well, Sophia's asking all these questions about the Supra. I said an oil change, right?
Yeah.
And filters. It got a filter and oil change.
Did it really do
Yes,
that?
no, it really did. That's all it got. I'm serious. Maybe we should start it up. Should we start it up? Yeah, let's start it up. We're gonna start it up. This side eye you're giving me right now, I do not appreciate it whatsoever.
Nervous.
Don't be nervous. All right, little cold startup on the Mark V Supra, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, is that in sport mode? There it is. What do you think, Soph? Doesn't that sound good? That sounds so crazy. What? Is that in sport mode? There we go. That's not bad. Ladies and gentlemen, the new exhaust for the Supra. What do you think?
Sounds really
There
good.
might be just a little bit more. What would be the word?
More what?
More airflow. Perhaps. Maybe just a little bit more airflow.
Wait,
maybe
did
in
you?
the high. Hey.
Did
Stop.
you actually?
Maybe.
Did you?
What did I do? What do you think I did?
Turbo.
More to come. You gotta drive it, I think. I think you definitely need to drive it. Now, obviously, Sophia and I were joking about the purple with the white wheels, but you gotta admit, we might have to do that.
But that's what you did with
I know,
yours.
but that's why we gotta do it. The reincarnation.
You can't just copy what
Yes,
you
you
did.
could. You could.
No.
Sophia seems to think that we upgraded the turbos and the exhaust, but in actuality, Mark and Ricky, if you could be so inclined. Just be so inclined. Mark, let's see it. Oh, it's locked. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. You got the Lamborghini doors you always wanted. That's what you want. They look so cool. What? Congratulations. Congratulations. Your dream Lamborghini doors. These guys absolutely crushed it. You always dreamed of Lamborghini doors.
Right.
And now you got them. Aren't they amazing? They look so good.
Not what I was expecting you to do.
I know. It does not have a new exhaust, by the way. That's the same exhaust. I was trying to trick you. I
did you see
did.
my reaction?
I
I was
could
like-
read between your eyes, and you were not convinced. So you're trying to act like on camera it sounded better as the same exhaust. All you got is Lamborghini doors. I gotta admit, there's a little bit of envy going on right now. Just tell me how you really feel. You hate it.
No,
you hate
it's
it.
fun. It's
No,
fun.
you hate it.
No, it's fun. I like it.
What are you talking about? You hate it. You definitely hate. Yes,
No,
you
I
do.
don't.
Yes, you do.
I
You're just
wasn't
being nice on
expecting
camera
it.
right now.
I was not expecting.
But do you remember the Snapchat? Somebody on Snapchat suggested that we do this to the car. That's why it happened, because you replied to that story and said absolutely not. You don't remember that? You said absolutely not. Do not do that under any circumstances. I think Ricky wins the Academy Award for acting though, because of the way the doors open, they open up outward slightly and then up. That's why we wanted you to get in the car so you wouldn't be suspicious whatsoever. Didn't even think about it. Amazing.
It was a great idea, dude.
Sorry, Soph. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Why does it actually look cool? You and Burlacker. You should have known. I did this to Nick, what, 3 years ago. It actually looks crazy cool. From every single angle, it actually looks amazing because these are actually a little bit more like the Aventor, almost like butterfly doors, how they kind of come outward. I gotta admit, kind of sort of dig it. I definitely want to give a shout out to Ricky and Mark here at 218. If you guys need Lamborghini doors, they are your guys, right? No, you can shake your head. You can shake your head. No. This is the first time and the last time they're ever doing Lamborghini doors, but they do everything else. You guys have seen them service the Espada, the Countach, the Mercy. Lamborghini doors, kind of a one and done.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so, yeah.
Unless it's for you, bro.
Okay, amen. Amen.
Yeah.
It's not the last time. The look on your face when he was revving
When
it.
Ricky was revving
You were
it,
trying
I
to
was
fake it, and I was faking it so good.
I was like, that doesn't sound different. And I was like, what should I be reacting?
And that's why I was trying to overreact, trying to get you to react as well. We got a couple little nice pops though.
Yeah,
like unexpected pops. Well, this was definitely 100% not planned. 100%. What's up, bro? Blue, oh, you lost your candy. You got trash falling out of your car. Yes, please, yes, please. Please, thank you. That's cool. That's not strap pizza though. Need strap pizza.
You guys, this is subpar. I'm waiting for top tier pizza.
Coming soon. Come on, Soph, get it up.
How do we? Okay.
You gotta open it all the way. There you go, there you go. Money.
Bad decisions are bad decisions.
I
when
can't, I can't take you seriously, bro.
When you put bad decisions into a group, they're great decisions.
Exactly,
That went from like, what a weird guy to
What a weird guy.
what a cool group.
What a cool group, exactly. You're part of an exclusive club.
Yeah. I know you guys have some little challenge. You've just lost now.
I know, that's what's so ironic about it. You're welcome. Also, the budget, what I spent on this, we're gonna tack that onto your budget. So
Wait,
yeah, we're gonna tack it on. The kit was, I think, $2 grand and the installation was $3 grand, so $5 grand gets your budget.
Wait, you're removing it?
Yeah, well, because it's on your car. That seems fair, right?
If you do this to your BMW, you have a shot. You're back in the game. I'm just saying.
You could do that, Sophia. Whoever you guys had do this is a great friend, a great boyfriend. I mean, I just want to talk him up a little bit. World's best boyfriend, maybe? World's best friend? And of course, one final thing, whenever you're ready, not that I would suggest it or advise it, but when you are ready to convert it back to a boring Mustang, back to stock, like a loser, I'll pay for it.
Why would I do that?
Also say, I don't know, that's what I'm saying, I don't know. I don't know why you would say
More
that.
power now.
Absolutely,
Power.
absolutely. This is like the iconic duo right here. I don't know why the doors are down now, they should have stayed up, but regardless, Sophia also, we can convert whenever you'd like. We can take it back to 218 right now. We can take it back right now. Are you sure? Are you sure? I mean, we can.
She won. It's over. And
I know.
It's over.
Wait, you just installed those?
Yeah, 10. Pop it up, so pop it up. 10 and 10, right?
This is
That's
actually
sick.
10 out of 10.
That's
I
sick.
love that.
Look, we pop them up.
The Burlacker.
Exactly.
too.
They all go up. You see, Soph? You're part of an exclusive club.
I'm sorry, I wasn't trying to get on video.
No,
that's
but you love it,
actually
right?
sick.
I want you to assure Sophia that they're cool because she has a little hesitation.
They are cool, and anyone who says it's a BMW, just smack them.
Right. Thank you. Amen, brother. Thank you. You're good. Yep, you're good. You're good. Hey, you gotta flex.
Visibility's not good.
Who needs to see when you can flex, though, right?
That's right, baby.
All right. Man, what a flex that is right there. Jeez. Pop them down. A little bit of a workout. Let them settle. Oh, yeah. Okay, Nick.
I literally can't.
Two hands. Get him. Guys, up. Get him. Come on, so you got your seatbelt on. Can you actually? Okay.
It's actually really
We're gonna have to work out so you can close your Lambo doors. Now you have the motivation you need, though, right?
Yeah.
You look so good getting out of that car, flexing on all the haters.
Thank you.
Also, apologies for the budget, though. You basically have no money left to spend. I know, it doesn't seem
really
fair.
fair, though?
I looked at the fine print, and yeah, I looked at the fine print. Anything that anybody spends on any car goes
Really?
against your budget. Yeah,
So
yeah,
I
yeah.
can spend your budget.
Well, it's ironic with the fine print. I actually made a notation that in my car that you can't.
doesn't count. Okay, nice.
No. So this is an outlier. This does not count against the budget officially. I just kind of made an executive decision that it needed to happen, so it happened. So your budget has not changed whatsoever. We're not going to count this against me. We're not going to count it against you. Yeah, executive choice. Amen. Yes.
I'm gonna get you back.
You're not talking about poke. You're not going to put poke on my
I'm
M2.
gonna camber your car
No. We got to ship you back to
It's
Canada.
gonna look ridiculous.
That
And
is
you're
not,
gonna have to keep it.
That's
You're
not
gonna have to keep it.
No, but the nice thing about the Lambo doors, when the doors are down, nobody knows. It's like a hidden trick. It's like a party trick, you know?
I'm gonna do you one up.
Oscar, come here, bud.
Hey,
floovaloo. Then we got Lambo. You just bumped the camera, bud. You just bumped right in. Did you see that? Oscar, get in the Supra. Get in the Supra. Yeah, the Lambo doors, bud. Yeah, flexing all the haters. Pop in. Yeah, pop in.
So easy for him
Good
to get
boy.
in.
Right? We did it for Oscar.
Yeah.
That's why, look, straight to the passenger seat. Oscar, sit down, bud. Yeah, look at that. That is the dream team right there. Good Popeye. Well, before we end today's video, Sophia said she had to apply chapstick to me. So I live in Utah. It's the second driest state in the nation. I really have no choice. It just is who I am, okay? I can't help it. We good?
Yeah.
Honest thoughts on the Supra.
I think it's cool.
No, you don't! Tell him how you really feel off camera. Sophia's like, I mean, I hate him, but on camera, I'm gonna smile. Tell him you hate him. It's fine.
Yeah,
say it.
it's out of my preference.
On that bombshell, today's video is over.